In this video, I'm going to be going over the TubeWriter 400 software, specifically the advanced settings and how you can adjust them. So on the home page of the software, similar to before, you'll click that advanced button and select the rack settings. That rack setting window will pop up, and that top drop-down setting selection window, you'll click that and select advanced settings. There's less settings here, but there's only a couple that you guys should really be changing. First one I'm going to go over is the UV preprint time. Right now it's set to 0. The UV preprint time is associated with the UV light within the system. Whatever number you have here directly correlates to how long that UV light is going to be on and exposed to the tube. These settings are in milliseconds, so if I change it to 500, it's going to be about half a second. This light will flash prior to the printhead actually spitting the ink on the tube. The second setting is going to be the UV post-print time. Similar to the UV preprint time, this is also in milliseconds, and it will be the UV light turning on after the printhead has spit the ink onto the tube to cure that ink on the tube. Another setting is going to be the UV between iteration time. If you are printing more than once on the tube, meaning you have more than one print iteration, you'll want to make sure you've got a number entered here so you get that flash of the UV light in between the first and second iteration where the printhead is spitting the ink onto the tube, so we can make sure that that first print iteration is cured properly before we move on to the second one. The other setting is going to be that print iteration setting. Right now it's set to 1. If I were to change the print iteration to 2, instead of just printing on the tube once, it would print on it a second time, leading to a crisper print and higher durability of the print on the sample. The read Excel spreadsheet by rows or columns settings, if you've got it set to a 0, it's going to read your Excel spreadsheet's data by columns. If you've changed that number to a 1, it's going to read your Excel spreadsheet data by rows. So like I was saying, if you've got that set to 0, it's going to read your Excel spreadsheet by columns. So this would be tube 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. But if you've changed that setting to 1, it'll read it by rows instead, meaning this would be tube 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. The last setting that I'm going to go over is the fast print by row setting right here. It's set to 0. So this is going to mean it's going to print in our standard mode, meaning it'll go under the UV light, under the print head, and then back under the UV light. If we change this number to a 1, it's going to switch to what we call fast mode, meaning it'll print everything in the row with the ink and then follow back behind it with flashes of the UV light to cure each tube in that row before it moves down to the next row. This mode is going to increase the speed of printing with the TubeWriter 400. You'll want to remember to hit the save button to save these settings if you want to override the file, or hit that save as button if you don't want to override it and create a new media file. And that's the overview of the TubeWriter 400 software advanced settings. If you have any issues or questions about any of these settings or need further assistance, please reach out to us at sales@tubewriter.com or give us a call at 510-249-9300.